Hi everybody, it's Susan Phelps. Today I'm doing a little bit different video. First of all, I wanted to take my husband out to the Waterside complex to see that town center and how it's going. First of all, I wanted to stop and check out the Hidden Creek development, see if there's anything else that's going up out here. I think it might be sold out. And I need to check on the building of a home for one of my customers. I know it's moving along, and so we're gonna go see what has happened and send that video to the customer. And I do that all the time for any of my customers. Now, the builders might give you a weekly update once things start moving along. Most of them will, and that's great. But I'm going to make sure that you're aware every step of the way what's happening with your new build and the new home community. So hang in, I'll be right back. Well, Paige didn't have any great news for me. She actually has 18 lots left and over 100 people on a wait list. And this is going to be a nice community. You can see there's lots of completed homes and lots of building going on. Let's go see Mark's place. Clavdia and Mark, guess what? This is for you. Look at that. Number 37. These are your trusses. They have arrived. This is a real milestone for your home. And there's Butch. Say hi, Butch. All right, Mark, there's your requested cameo appearance of Butch, my husband.
Hi, Mark.
And there's your house again. Still the same from the pictures that Paige sent you last week. And I'm sure that these showed up after that picture was taken, or it would have been included. But at any rate, good news. Just wanted you to know. Talk to you later. Butch and I came down to Waterside Place. He's never been here before, so he wanted to see it. A lot of his biker clients have been telling him that they just think it's a great place to visit, and even though it's not completely open, there are lots of things going on here already. Shops and restaurants, there's a marina going up, a water taxi. That's going to be very cool because that's going to connect people that live on the shoreline of these lakes to just get on from their center, their amenity center, and then come across the lake.
Nice.
It's going to be very cool. We're headed down the street to the Christmas tree at the end. There's something going on because music is being played. There's quite a few cars parked around. I don't see crowds, except for over across the lake. There was a beach ball tournament, volleyball, beach volleyball, whatever. Say ho, 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 Santa.
Merry Christmas.
A little warmer than the North Pole?
Oh, yes, much warmer, yes.
Okay.
I had to leave the reindeer at home.
Well, yeah, they did. Yeah, that would be way too much maintenance out here.
Yes, yes.
They wouldn't like the heat either.
No, they wouldn't, not at all.
I've got my Christmas tree right here and right here.
Are you on the nice list?
Absolutely. I've been nice every day this year.
Oh, love.
Haven't I, honey?
Yes, she
Okay.
has. Yes, she has.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
And here, this musician over here is all by himself, but putting out some great music. And this pavilion was actually structured just for the acoustic factors that really expand the volume and the music. Is there a restaurant down there?
That's like a brewing company.
Brewing company. I don't think the shops that have moved in partially, yeah, some of them aren't open yet.
Nice place to get coffee. Sit down here and have a nice place to come and
Boardwalk. We're walking across the lake, and we're gonna look back to that restaurant that's open. I want to check out that menu before we leave. We're going over to one of the parks, and I'm not sure that building's not quite done. I think that may be more concession area. Some kids out here running around on the sports field. What's the weather today? What's the 82 or something like that?
Yes.
And it's December 18th? 19th.
Yes.
Way over there you can see where the tents are for the beach volleyball. Looking back to that music pavilion, what a nice setup. This is just amazing. This is the cornhole area. What would you call this? Cornhole Plaza?
Cornhole Park.
A cornhole park.
That's what they call it.
It's not a game that I've ever gotten into, but it's very popular.
There's grass like that.
This is outside the Good Liquid Brewing Company. And in between that and Duck Donuts. So it's just open for anybody to stop and toss a game.